Today I'll be showing you how to make this lavender bath bomb. It's packed with natural ingredients that you might already have in your cupboards. It's easy to make and a great gift for anyone who enjoys a spa moment in their bathroom. Let's go. For this recipe, we are using baking soda, citric acid, purple corn flour, lavender essential oil, and a hydrosol. The tools you need for this recipe are a bath bomb mold, a bowl, and a pair of reusable gloves. So now about the ingredients. Our first ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is a fine white powder and very versatile. Well, baking soda reacts with citric acid and makes our bath bomb super duper fizzy. It also helps to calm red and chapped skin, which is a fantastic added benefit to a relaxing bath. Our next ingredient is citric acid. I've put it in our bath bomb recipe because citric acid helps to stimulate your blood circulation and it gives your metabolism a nice boost. And of course, it reacts with the baking soda that makes our bath bombs nice and fizzy. And on top of that, it will also help to remove dead skin cells and dirt and reveal a fresh, softer and smoother skin. So that's super nice. Our next ingredient is purple corn flour. Purple corn flour is your go-to when it comes to natural coloring. It gives your DIY recipes a beautiful purple color and it's packed with nutrients. Just like any other purple things from nature, like blackberries for example, purple corn flour contains anthocyanin, which is a natural antioxidant. That brings me to our final ingredients, lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil has the sweet, flowery scent of lavender. It soothes our nervous system and helps us focus in times of stress. For the skin, lavender essential oil helps in removing dead skin cells and protect it against free radicals. Both excellent properties for dry and aging skin. Adding it to the bath bomb was a no-brainer because then we turn it into a spa experience. Yay! So let's start the tutorial. For one bath bomb, you will need approximately 120 grams in total. We will use 72 grams of baking soda, 36 grams of citric acid, 10.8 grams of purple corn flour, and 1.2 grams of lavender essential oil. Step 1. Put on your gloves. I'm using very ugly reusable worker gloves for this. It's just to protect your hands from the citric acid a little bit. It can sting. Step 2. We are going to put the baking soda and citric acid in one bowl and we're going to mix them up. So now that you've mixed this up, we are going to start the exciting part of this DIY. We're going to add a little bit of the mixture in a separate bowl. This is going to be our white part. And we're going to put the purple corn flour in the rest of the mixture. Just going to mix that up. Now, I also have these dried lavender flowers because they make a great decoration. Have your bath molds ready and your hydrosol. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to spray the mixture until it forms a wet sand consistency. So just spray a few times and then start to knead it. To this mixture, we're going to add a few drops of lavender essential oil. And we're going to knead it through as well. For this recipe, I'm using 1% of essential oils again, just to avoid skin irritation. Just a few more sprays. You really want it to stick together. We're going to do the same for the white mixture. Now that both our mixtures have wet sand consistency, we are going to put them in the bath bomb mold. Put a little bit of the white mixture into the mold and then a little bit of the purple and a little bit of the white and a bit of purple. And then in the other half, we're going to put some dried lavender. Just going to put a bit of the white first and then some purple. So what you want to do is you want to put a little bit more in one mold so that you can stick them together. And now we're just going to put the molds together and we're going to twist. It's getting very messy here. If you do this at home, please make sure that you have some protection lying around. Don't do it in the middle of the living room. So, now that you've twisted it, just give it a few smacks. And now we are going to reveal what's inside. Look how cute this one is. There is your homemade lavender bath bomb. Okay, so you want to remove the other half as well. Do it gently and just put it on your hand and remove the other half. Put your finger underneath and place it on your plate. There you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you want to see our next one. I'm thinking about making a very special body lotion, so stay tuned. See you.